Marco Colbert's A Pdr Tech Finish Network. So we got this nice Lexus with us today. This is kind of a unique repair. This big dent right here, it's a specific process you use to get these big dents out of these plastic bumpers. We're going to go ahead and go over that today. And then we have some spider web cracking along the outside perimeters of the dent. That's basically just cracking from the paint, flex too hard and you crack the paint. And then we got a headlight restoration to top it all off. Only three things you need to get this dent out. You need a heat gun. You're really going to have to heat up this bumper all around the perimeter area, then also in the center. This is a nice crowbar, I'd say about a foot and a half long. We're going to kind of wedge that in there in the back and push right in the center right there. And a nice extension cord. Obviously you need some source of power. And kind of be going at it kind of aggressive and just get it done and get it out so we can get ready for paint. So we're going to go ahead and start putting some heat on it. So just like that, a $10 heat gun from the Hobo Freight, and then a $3, $5 crowbar, and pow, you got a nice big dent out of your bumper. If you don't get any paint cracking, or if you're okay with the minor paint cracks, you can stop right there at that repair. However, my customer, he insisted he wanted it repainted because he could see the paint cracks. So we are going to go ahead and still continue with the respray. We're going to start with some 320. Get the paint cracks down a little bit, then smooth it all out with 500, and then we're going to hit it with our TRC 500 adhesion promoter and primer sealer in one, seal everything off, and then base and clear. Okay, so that wraps up for the Lexus. We got a decent result out of it. Really high gloss clear. Guys, we were spraying outside in 45-degree weather right outside. No problems, no runs. Mixed up about 12 ounces of the high gloss super fast clear coat, and we did about 1/4 of an ounce of accelerator, just enough to speed it up enough so it doesn't run. Headlights, as you can see, look phenomenal. They look factory new. So that wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.